today we're diving into Sondo AI, a music generation tool that claims to create original tracks with just a few clicks, but does it live up to the hype? Let's find out if this AI music generator is worth your time and money. Sondo AI is designed to help users generate music effortlessly, making it appealing for content creators, marketers, and even casual users who want to add some custom soundtracks to their projects. The interface is straightforward, allowing you to choose from various genres and styles. You input parameters like mood, tempo, and instrumentation, and the AI does the rest. What's interesting is how quickly it churns out tracks. It can go from an idea to a finished piece in minutes. However, while the initial results can be impressive, I found that the depth and complexity of the compositions can sometimes feel a bit shallow. Also, there's limited information on how the AI actually processes music, which may leave more advanced users wanting. Overall, the user experience is fairly intuitive, but there are aspects that feel rushed or underexplained, especially for those who might want to tweak compositions further. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Sondo AI is incredibly easy to use. If you need quick music for a video or podcast, it delivers fast results. The variety of genres available is also a nice touch, catering to different tastes and needs. However, the weaknesses are notable. The quality of the music can vary significantly, and some tracks may lack the richness and nuance that a professional composer could provide. Additionally, there's a lack of transparency on how the AI generates music, which could be a red flag for some users. If you're an advanced musician or looking for highly customizable options, Sondo AI may not meet your expectations. But for beginners or those needing quick sound solutions, it could be a decent fit. So, should you give Sondo AI a shot? If you're in need of quick, royalty-free music and enjoy experimenting with AI, it's worth trying out. However, if you're after high-quality, complex compositions or detailed customization, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's a mixed bag, but it definitely has its place in the music generation landscape.